Razer consistently ranks high in the gaming laptop arena, offering a blend of sleek design, top-tier specs, and powerful performance. Whether you prioritize portability, raw power, or a balance of both, Razer has a blade for you. Here's a look at the top 5 high-performance Razer gaming laptops in 2024. Number 1. Razer Blade 16. This absolute beast is the top dog for a reason. Imagine the smoothest gameplay at 240Hz on a gorgeous 16-inch OLED display. The RTX 4090 under the hood is a powerhouse, paired with a monstrous 14th Gen Intel Core i9-14900HX CPU. It's overkill for most, but for those who demand the absolute best, the Blade 16 doesn't disappoint. With 64 gigabytes of RAM and a whopping 4 terabytes SSD, it's future-proofed for years to come. The Chroma RGB adds that signature Razer flair, should you buy it. If you're a professional gamer, streamer, or someone who throws money at the best of the best, then yes, this laptop is an investment, but the performance is unmatched. But for most gamers, the price tag might be a knockout punch. Number 2. Razer Blade 18. The Blade 18 boasts an impressive 18-inch QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate, perfect for those who want a desktop-like experience. The 13th Gen Intel 24-core i9-HX CPU is a monster for multitasking, and the RTX 4070 delivers smooth gameplay. While hefty, the CNC aluminum build and compact GAN charger make it surprisingly portable. Should you buy it? This one's ideal for those who crave a large display but still need some portability. The powerful CPU makes it great for creative work alongside gaming. However, the price might be a turn-off, and consider if a smaller powerhouse might suit you better. Number 3. Razer Blade 15. The Blade 15 strikes a fantastic balance between performance and price. The 15.6-inch QHD 240Hz display is stunning. The 13th Gen Intel i7 CPU is no slouch, and the RTX 4070 handles even the latest games with ease. It's got 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte PCIe SSD for speedy performance. The CNC aluminum build screams quality, and the Chroma RGB adds a customizable touch. Should you buy it? This is the laptop for most gamers. It offers fantastic performance without the hefty price tag of the top 2. It's powerful, portable, and has that signature Razer aesthetic. Number 4. Razer Blade 14. The Blade 14 throws an AMD curveball into the mix. The Ryzen 9 5900HX CPU is powerful, and the RTX 3080 is still a fantastic performer. The 14-inch QHD 165Hz display is sharp, and the vapor chamber cooling keeps things from getting toasty. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD for a well-rounded package. Should you buy it? This one caters to those who prefer AMD processors or want a slightly more budget-friendly option. The performance is still great, and the portability is excellent for gamers on the go. However, the slightly older RTX 3080 might not be ideal for future-proofing. Number 5. Razer Blade 17. The Blade 17 offers a fantastic display, a spacious 17.3-inch UHD panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. The 12th Gen Intel i9 CPU is powerful, and the RTX 3070 Ti delivers smooth gameplay. Packing 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 1 terabyte PCIe SSD, it's well equipped for multitasking. The Chroma RGB adds some flair, and the SD card reader is a bonus for content creators. Should you buy it? This laptop prioritizes value. It offers a large display, powerful specs, and a decent price tag compared to the top models. However, the slightly older RTX 3070 Ti might not be ideal for the most demanding games at max settings.